Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check out this beast 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax LTZ. Super aggressive truck we just finished building. It's got a leveling kit on it, a set of 20 by 10 chrome fuel Mavericks, brand new, wrapped with a set of 33 1250 20-inch mud terrain tires, full turn left and right, no rubbing or scrubbing. It's an LTZ model, so it's fully loaded, rear entertainment, leather seats, heated seats, navigation, with a full 5-inch MBRP turbo back exhaust system, tuned, deleted, and tough as hell. Check it out.